Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'll be walking you through the entire journey of donation and I'll talk about how to create a donation record to track information of donation and donor. Let's say a new household member Anna wants to donate $10 to an organization. In order to store the information in Salesforce, we'll create a new contact record. Let me just fill in the information. I'll not enter the account name because Salesforce will automatically create an account for a contact. Primary affiliation should be an organization with which the contact is most affiliated with. It will create a new contact record with the account and organization affiliation record. In order to create a relationship with of this contact record with the existing contact, uh, we can just create a new relationship by clicking on new button, and let's say Anna Bright is a related contact with Jack Bright. Just save it. As we got all the information about Anna Bright, uh, we can create a donation by clicking on new donation button and selecting the stage, entering the amount and save it. It will create a new opportunity record which will hold the information about the donation in Salesforce. Similarly, we can create a donation record for the existing contacts, same as clicking on the new donation button, selecting a closing date, amount, and save. Now let's talk a little about accounts. There are two types of accounts are available. One is organization and household, which help us to store the information of donor whether it is a household or organization. In order to accept donation from organizations, we'll create a new account, select organization, enter type of organization. We have to select a primary contact. I'll enter the billing address and I'll just save it. To create a donation, we have to navigate to the primary contact. And by clicking on the new donation, we can create a donation. I'll just save it. To create and store membership information of a contact, just navigate to the opportunity and create new opportunity and select a record type as a membership. These are the predefined record types. As these are customizable, we can change the value as per our need. Click on next. Let me just enter the value for the fields. To give a primary contact. contact, amount, stage. You can select which stage it is in, the closing date, and the start date and end date of membership. And you can also select the membership levels, which are predefined as gold, silver and bronze, which are also customizable, and we can add the value in this pick list. The membership origin, whether this is a new membership, whether it is a renewal, we can select and we can add the value in this pick list also. So I'll just click on save, which will create a donation, a opportunity record. To store the information about the payment of this donation, or to track the payment of donation, we have an object called payments, in which the payment record gets created for each donation. We can keep track, and we can modify this and save this record as per our need. We know Salesforce and non-profit service pack includes a lot, but it does not include online payment processing. So there are few paid application available on App Exchange, which will help to accept online payments for our donation directly from website. Thank you.